was the first President of India? Answer. Drive. Rajendra Prasad. Dr. Rajendra Prasad served as the first President of India from 1950 to 1962. He was also the only president to serve 2 full terms in office. Who was the first Prime Minister of India? Answer. Jawaharlal Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of India, serving from 1947 until his death in 1964. He played a key role in India's independence movement. Who was the first Indian to receive the Nobel Prize? Answer. Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore received the Nobel Prize in Literature in 1913 for his work, Gitanjali, making him the first Indian and the first Asian to receive a Nobel Prize. Who was the first Indian woman to become the President of India? Answer. Pratibha Patil. Pratibha Patil served as the 12th President of India from 2007 to 2012, and she was the first woman to hold this office. Who was the first Indian to go into space? Answer. Rakesh Sharma. Rakesh Sharma became the first Indian to travel to space in 1984 aboard the Soviet spacecraft Soyuz T-11. Who was the first Indian woman to climb Mount Everest? Answer. Bachendri Pal. In 1984, Bachendri Pal became the first Indian woman to reach the summit of Mount Everest. Who was the first Indian to win a gold medal in the Olympics? Answer. Abhinav Bindra. Abhinav Bindra won the gold medal in the 10 meters air rifle event at the 2008 Beijing Olympics, making him the first Indian to win an individual Olympic gold medal. Who was the first woman governor of an Indian state? Answer. Sarojini Naidu. Sarojini Naidu became the governor of Uttar Pradesh in 1947, making her the first woman to hold the position of governor in India. Who was the first Indian to become a field marshal? Answer. Sam Manekshaw. Sam Manekshaw was the first Indian Army officer to be promoted to the rank of Field Marshal in 1973. Who was the first Indian to win the Miss World title? Answer. Rita Faria. Rita Faria won the Miss World title in 1966, becoming the first Indian and Asian woman to achieve this honor. Who was the first Indian to receive the Bharat Ratna? Answer. C. Rajagopalachari. C. Rajagopalachari was awarded the Bharat Ratna, India's highest civilian award, in 1954. He was the last Governor General of India. Who was the first Indian woman to win the Miss Universe title? Answer. Sushmita Sen. Sushmita Sen won the Miss Universe title in 1994, becoming the first Indian woman to win this prestigious beauty pageant. Who was the first Chief Justice of India? Answer. Harilal Jekisundas Kania. H.J. Kania served as the first Chief Justice of India from 1950 to 1951. Who was the first woman Chief Minister of an Indian state? Answer. Sucheta Kripalani. Sucheta Kripalani became the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh in 1963, making her the first woman to hold this position in India. Who was the first Indian woman to receive the Bharat Ratna? Answer. Indira Gandhi. Indira Gandhi, the first woman Prime Minister of India, received the Bharat Ratna in 1971. Who was the first Indian to win the Booker Prize? Answer. Arundhati Roy. Arundhati Roy won the Booker Prize in 1997 for her novel, The God of Small Things, making her the first Indian to achieve this feat. Who was the first Indian to win the Nobel Prize in Physics? Answer. C.V. Raman. C.V. Raman was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1930 for his work on the scattering of light and the discovery of the Raman effect. Who was the first Indian woman to receive the Nobel Peace Prize? Answer. Mother Teresa. Mother Teresa was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize in 1979 for her humanitarian work in Kolkata, India. Who was the first Indian woman to win an Olympic medal? Answer. Karnam Malleshwari. Karnam Malleshwari won a bronze medal in weightlifting at the 2000 Sydney Olympics, becoming the first Indian woman to win an Olympic medal. Who was the first Vice President of India? Answer. Drive. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan served as the first Vice President of India from 1952 to 1962 and later became the second President of India. Who was the first Indian woman to win the Miss Asia Pacific title? Answer. Zeenat Aman. Zeenat Aman won the Miss Asia Pacific title in 1970, making her the first Indian woman to win this title. Who was the first Indian to win the Ramon Magsaysay Award? Answer. Vinoba Bhave. Vinoba Bhave, a close associate of Mahatma Gandhi, was the first Indian to win the Ramon Magsaysay Award in 1958 for his social work. Who was the first Indian woman to fly in aircraft? Answer. Sarla Thakral. In 1936, Sarla Thakral became the first Indian woman to fly in aircraft at the age of 21. Who was the first Indian to win an Oscar? Answer. Bhanu Athi. Bhanu Athi won an Oscar for Best Costume Design for the film, Gandhi, in 1983, making her the first Indian to win an Academy Award. Who was the first Indian woman to become a pilot in the Indian Air Force? Answer. Harita Kaur Deol. Harita Kaur Deol became the first woman pilot to fly solo in the Indian Air Force in 1994. Who was the first Indian to receive the Jnanpith Award? Answer. G. Sankara Kurup. G. Sankara Kurup, a Malayalam poet, was the first recipient of the Jnanpith Award in 1965. Who was the first woman judge of the Supreme Court of India? Answer. Justice Fatima Bibi. Justice Fatima Bibi became the first woman judge of the Supreme Court of India in 1989. Who was the first Indian to receive the Dadasaheb Phalke Award? Answer. Devika Rani. Devika Rani, a renowned actress, was the first recipient of the Dadasaheb Phalke Award in 1969, which is India's highest award in cinema. Who was the first Indian to become a member of the British Parliament? Answer. Dadabhai Naoroji. Dadabhai Naoroji was the first Indian to become a member of the British Parliament in 1892. Who was the first Indian to climb Mount Everest without oxygen? Answer. Phu Dorji. Phu Dorji became the first Indian to climb Mount Everest without supplementary oxygen in 1984. Who was the first Indian woman to win a gold medal at the Asian Games? Answer. Kamaljeet Sandhu. Kamaljeet Sandhu won a gold medal in the 400 meters at the 1970 Asian Games, becoming the first Indian woman to win an Asian Games gold. Who was the first Indian woman to become a doctor? Answer. Anandibai Gopalrao Joshi. Anandibai Gopalrao Joshi was the first Indian woman to obtain a medical degree in 1886 from the Women's Medical College of Pennsylvania. Who was the first Indian woman to win a medal in World Athletics Championships? Answer. Anju Bobby George. Anju Bobby George won a bronze medal in the long jump at the 2003 World Athletics Championships, making her the first Indian to win a medal at this event. Who was the first Indian woman to win the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award? Answer. Karnam Malleshwari. Karnam Malleshwari became the first Indian woman to win the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award, India's highest sporting honor, in 1999. Who was the first Indian to swim across the English Channel? Answer. Mihir Sen. Mihir Sen swam across the English Channel in 1958, becoming the first Indian to achieve this feat. Who was the first Indian woman to receive the Ashoka Chakra? Answer. Neerja Bhanot. Neerja Bhanot, a flight attendant, was posthumously awarded the Ashoka Chakra for her bravery during the hijacking of Pan Am Flight 73 in 1986. Who was the first Indian to win the World Billiards Championship? Answer. Wilson Jones. Wilson Jones won the World Billiards Championship in 1958, making him the first Indian to win the title. Who was the first Indian woman to win the World Junior Badminton Championship? Answer. Saina Nehwal. Saina Nehwal won the World Junior Badminton Championship in 2008, making her the first Indian woman to achieve this title. Who was the first Indian woman to become a cabinet minister? Answer. Rajkumari Amrit Kaur. Rajkumari Amrit Kaur was the first woman to hold a cabinet position in independent India as the health minister from 1947 to 1957. Who was the first Indian to win the Pritzker Architecture Prize? Answer. Balakrishna Doshi. Balakrishna Doshi won the Pritzker Architecture Prize in 2018, becoming the first Indian architect to receive this prestigious international award. Who was the first Indian to score a century in Test cricket? Answer: Lala Amarnath. Lala Amarnath was the first Indian to score a Test century, achieving this milestone in 1933 against England. Who was the first Indian woman to reach the final of a Grand Slam tournament? Answer: Sania Mirza. Sania Mirza reached the final of the Australian Open mixed doubles in 2009, making her the first Indian woman to reach a Grand Slam final. Who was the first Indian to win the Sahitya Akademi Award? Answer: R.K. Narayan. R.K. Narayan was the first Indian to win the Sahitya Akademi Award for his novel, The Guide, in 1958. Who was the first Indian woman to become a Lieutenant General in the Indian Army? Answer: Punita Arora. Punita Arora became the first woman to be promoted to the rank of Lieutenant General in the Indian Army in 2004. Who was the first Indian to win the International Booker Prize? Answer: Geetanjali Shri. Geetanjali Shri won the International Booker Prize in 2022 for her novel, Tomb of Sand, making her the first Indian to achieve this honor. Who was the first Indian woman to serve as the President of the United Nations General Assembly? Answer: Vijaya Lakshmi Pandit. Vijaya Lakshmi Pandit served as the President of the United Nations General Assembly from 1953 to 1954, making her the first woman to hold this position. Who was the first Indian woman to win an Olympic silver medal? Answer: P.V. Sindhu. P.V. Sindhu won a silver medal in badminton at the 2016 Rio Olympics, becoming the first Indian woman to win an Olympic silver medal. Who was the first Indian to win the Fields Medal? Answer: Manjul Bhargava. Manjul Bhargava won the Fields Medal in 2014, becoming the first mathematician of Indian origin to win this prestigious award. Who was the first Indian woman to win the Miss Earth title? Answer: Nicole Faria. Nicole Faria won the Miss Earth title in 2010, making her the first Indian woman to achieve this honor. Who was the first Indian to win the Templeton Prize? Answer: Mother Teresa. Mother Teresa was awarded the Templeton Prize in 1973 for her efforts to alleviate poverty and suffering, becoming the first Indian to receive this award.